Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ivy. I'm a makeup artist, YouTuber, and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my very first ever Temu haul and showing you what I got. My experience with Temu. Chai! Is well. If you want to see what I got and you want to hear my experiences, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. Welcome back, guys. So the main reason for this Temu haul, the thing that made me shop on Temu, to actually go on Temu in the first instance, are these phone pouches right here. My phone I just woke up one morning and my phone just packed up. I went to get it fixed and I was just advised to not just butter the software, everything. The phone had, like, the money to fix it was not just worth it. And so since phone was not my budget for this year, I just had to, go get a smaller phone that I could use, like a more affordable phone. And I got one I liked, but I couldn't get a pouch for it. So I was like, I went on Jumia, nothing. I asked around, nothing. Tell me why I opened Facebook that morning and I was just seeing advertisement of that phone pouch on Facebook from Temu. So I saw really beautiful pouches. And so I went on Temu and I got 2 of those pouches. I got the black one and the wine colored one. Now looking at it, like, I wish I had gotten the cream color of this because the black is just too plain and one kind, but I had to get 2 because, like, I know I get easily tired of seeing phone, like my phone. I like changing. So I got 2 of these. I'll be leaving pictures of the items and how much they cost on the screen. Those ones cost about 3,200 something naira each, and I didn't pay for shipping. So I got this one, and then Temu made me an offer. And then I also got, this one for my other phone. Like, this one was really beautiful. It had the butterfly design and they will have a good day, lovely. I just liked it. And my other phone, the pouch was somehow already. So I decided to get a new pouch for it. And then Temu made me an offer to get free shipping. I had to order up to a particular amount. So I scrolled on the site, I saw makeup brushes, and then I saw this, I call it, pair of sneakers. And they had this color. They also had the gray, black and white color, but I chose to go for this. Now, the thing when shopping on Temu, to avoid having one of those, what I ordered versus what I got, because I researched, I say, I'm not gonna fall a victim. So with these phone pouches, I was very careful. I had to read through, I had to make sure I select the actual phone model for the pouch. Checked, double checked, triple checked, quadruple checked to avoid having mistakes or to avoid making mistakes. Then for the shoe, I had to read the description and everything. And I already knew from videos I had watched that most of the cheap products on Temu, they always have skin, like they always have issues. This one cost me around 13,000 something, give or take. And before I ordered it, I had to go check the size guide because I know my normal size, but just to be on the safe side, I checked the size guide, measured my feet, and I was in between somehow. So I decided to go the size up, which is just perfect for me because it came in and it's just my perfect size. Not too tight, not too loose, just okay. Like, I can wear this for hours without feeling any pain or anything. These are just the 4 items I ordered from Temu. I just dipped my toes in on the Temu side. And typically, like, normally, I am not the kind of person that I would say I I bent to peer pressure. Like I would stand gidigba, but somehow I just felt like in this whole Nigeria, it's something that I've not ordered from Temu, because ask me why everybody around me, neighbors, friends, colleagues, everybody around me had ordered one or two things from Temu, and Temu does free shipping like it's nothing. So I was like, nothing has really. The brushes, I've been seeing some, is it manga brushes that have been drawing me on Temu since, but I said no, 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 no. So with these phone pouches, I just knew I had to because I needed them. So I would say because I needed them, not really peer pressure. And Temu advertisement, please. I want to know how much Temu set aside for PR and advertisement, because what? Hey, you go on Facebook, Temu, you go on Instagram, Temu, anywhere you go everywhere, Temu, 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 Temu. Shop like a billionaire. YouTube, the advert, shop like a billionaire. That was how they sing here. Shop like a billionaire. You just see the girl changing. So, like, finally, I've ordered from Temu. I placed my order on the 10th of June. I got it around the 21st or 23rd of June, thereabout. So it took about roughly 2 weeks to get my order. They ship using SpeedApp. You can track your order and everything. And I see that the process was seamless. I didn't even order on my card. They have an OPay account I paid into, and you have to pay the exact sum, the exact figure. And they confirmed the order, and within 2 weeks I got my order. Free shipping, no. Hey, shipping within Nigeria alone, when you order from things in Nigeria, like from vendors in Nigeria, you know how much it costs. I got free shipping, so I'm really happy about that. Will I be ordering from Temu like in future? Yes, I will, but it has to be in a period where I know I have time on my hands. Like, Temu is not where you just rush and go and shop. No, you buy nonsense. And they will always like keep giving you offers, and you might feel that pressure. Even after this order, Temu has been giving me orders back to back, like spin the wheel, do this, today only, get how many percent of this. So they want to suck you in. So I would rather, like, I would like order again, yes, but it would be when for things I really need, one, and two, when I have the time, like the time to spend to go through, make sure I don't make mistakes. And if you want to shop on Temu, the only advice I will give is read, check the sizes, and please avoid the really cheap items, because like it's tempting, like a handbag 3,000 naira, but you self think handbag of 3,000 naira, like how good can that be, right? So you see the picture, it's looking yummy, it's looking beautiful. When it comes, come on, good day. So don't always go for like the cheap of the cheap. Go for something a bit more moderate, okay? Instead of buying that handbag 2,000, rather buy a handbag of 7,000. It will be at least a step up, okay? I'm very happy that my Temu order was a good one. Like, I didn't order anything I regretted, apart from these phone cases. Like, I wish I'd ordered a cream one, but it's what I ordered, so I really got what I ordered. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end, and until I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye guys.